Okay, guys, this is the renting a home or apartment assignment. So let's go over the instructions. All right, here's an example. Renter's rule. You should spend no more than 1 week's income for a month's rent. Xavier earns $2,080 per month. What is the maximum amount that he can pay for rent? There are 4.3 weeks in each month. To estimate Xavier's weekly income, divide his monthly income by 4.3. So we take 4.3 and divide it into 2,080, and we get $843.72. So we can round that up to the next dollar. Xavier can afford to rent about $484 per month of rent. Okay, so let's go to page 2. All right, so I started working on the first one. All right, so for the first one, what I did, let me pull up our little calculator. So I took 8,140, which is how much he makes per month, and I divided it by 4.3. And the answer I got was $1,895. So he can afford rent that is $1,895 a month. All right, so let's do the next one, which is $1,256 every 2 weeks. Okay, so $1,256 every 2 weeks, and we can afford to pay 1 week's worth of rent. That means we will divide that by 2. So Jared can afford to pay $628 a month. All right, let's go to the next one. $18,450 annually. All right, so annually, how many weeks are there in a year? There are 52 weeks in a year. So I take 18,450 and I divide it by 52, and I get 354.80. So I can round that up to $355 per month. Okay, so that should get you guys going. If it's monthly, you divide by 4.3. If it's bi-weekly, that means every other week, so divide it by 2. Per month is divided by 4.3. Annually, you divide by 52. Every 2 weeks, you divide by 2. Monthly, annually, divide by 52. Monthly, divide by 4.3. Annually, every 2 weeks. Monthly, annually, every 2 weeks. Okay, here's one right here. Twice a month or twice monthly. So if it's twice a month, the first thing you need to do, so that's for Blake, $800 twice a month. So we take the $800 and we times it by 2. Okay, now we know what the monthly income is. The monthly income is $1,600. So now I take my 1,600 and I divide that by the 4.3. And that tells me how much Blake can afford. So $372 every month for rent. All right, that's the end of that. And I will